Adam lived with his wife, Hannah, and their son, Joseph. Joseph was an obedient boy and good at his studies. He loved animals and had a chicken named Gigi. Joseph was very attached to Gigi. He often played with her in the lawn. Sometimes she ran outside. When the gate was open, Joseph always worried that a stray dog might hurt her. Anna often joked,
"Joseph, you treat Gigi like your daughter."
Joseph would blush, but never stopped caring for her. The house beside theirs had been empty for some time. Its owner, Mr. Rogers, often rented it out. One day, a new family moved in. Tom and his son, Nick. One evening, Adam and Joseph were sitting in the lawn. Gigi was sitting on Joseph's lap. Anna came outside with a tray of tea, cakes, and cream rolls. She put it on the table. Joseph's eyes lit up.
"Oh, cream rolls."
Anna smiled.
"Not just cream rolls. There are cakes too."
She looked at Gigi.
"But put Gigi down first. At least let her dad eat something freely."
Adam laughed. Joseph blushed.
"Oh, Mom."
He gently put Gigi on the ground and grabbed a cream roll.
"I'll eat the cake too. But cream roll first."
Anna smiled. One day, Joseph went to the store to buy a notebook. He also needed some stationery. When he returned home, he noticed that the gate was not properly locked. He looked around the lawn.
Gigi?
She was nowhere to be seen.
Oh no. She must have gone outside. What if a stray dog hurt her?
Joseph quickly ran outside and searched for her. Then he noticed the door of Mr. Rogers's house was open. He ran to the door and rang the bell. Mr. Rogers came to the door.
"Hello, Uncle."
Joseph said worriedly.
What happened, Joseph?
Mr. Rogers asked.
"My chicken is missing. I think she may have come here. Have you seen Gigi?"
Joseph tried to look inside. Mr. Rogers shook his head.
No. I haven't seen any chicken.
Just then, Nick called from inside.
"Dad! Come quickly! Cook that chicken! I can't wait!"
Joseph froze.
Chicken?
He whispered. He looked at Mr. Rogers in shock.
You killed my Gigi?"
Mr. Rogers shrugged.
She came into my house, so I did what I wanted with her.
Joseph stood silently. Tears filled his eyes. He turned and ran home. When he reached home, Adam and Anna were shocked to see him. Tears were rolling down his cheeks.
"Joseph, what happened?"
Anna asked worriedly. Adam quickly sat him on the sofa. Anna brought him a glass of water. But Joseph could not even take a sip.
My Gigi!
He cried.
What happened to Gigi?
Adam asked.
Uncle Rogers killed her. She went into his house and he killed her.
Adam and Anna looked at each other in shock. Anna gently hugged Joseph.
Don't cry, dear.
Adam patted his head. A week later, one evening, Adam was cleaning the lawn with Joseph. Adam gathered the dry leaves and branches into a pile. Then he took out a matchbox and lit the pile. Joseph looked surprised.
Dad, what are you doing?
Adam smiled.
Just teaching someone a little lesson.
He held Joseph's hand.
Come on. Let's go inside.
They went inside, and Adam closed the door. Meanwhile, Mr. Rogers was exercising in his lawn. Suddenly, smoke reached him. He coughed.
Oh God! What are they doing?
He muttered. After a while, the doorbell rang. Adam walked toward the gate. Joseph followed behind him. Adam opened the gate.
Hello, Mr. Rogers.
Mr. Rogers was coughing.
What are you doing, Mr. Adam?
He asked angrily.
What?
Adam asked calmly.
You're burning leaves. I exercise in my lawn, but this smoke is making me cough.
Adam shrugged.
So what? This is my home. I can do what I want.
Mr. Rogers's face fell. He understood what Adam was doing. Joseph smiled quietly.
Dad took revenge from my Gigi.
Mr. Rogers turned around and walked away. Adam looked at Joseph. They both smiled. Moral: don't underestimate others.